Time for another Gulf Coast News viewer question. Friend on TikTok who wants to know why hurricanes can't form over cool water. And let me tell you right from the get-go, this is all a story about energy. You see, tropical systems, well, they get their energy from the heat released when water vapor, that evaporated warm ocean water, condenses into clouds. You can see this in action for yourself right here. You see, inside this glass canister, I've poured some really warm water. See how as it evaporates, it condenses near the top of the jar? That's moisture rising and releasing heat, the same process that powers tropical systems. But in this jar, I've poured some really cold water, and look at how it's different. You don't see nearly as much condensation forming here, meaning less water is evaporating and less energy is being released. Tropical systems need warm water to get going, but other types of storm systems don't. Like on occasion when we get a cold front around here, well, it's always connected to a storm system farther north in the United States. Now, these systems form because of the collision of warm and cold air masses in the atmosphere. So essentially their energy comes from the atmosphere above, from things like the jet stream and the collision of cold and warm air masses, not from any warm water below. Look, both tropical systems and regular storm systems can cause a lot of commotion, but where they get their energy, well, that is very, very different.